Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Actually today is for the free buy tutorials and I'll give you the free brush set. That means the Photoshop brushes and which I used in my previous tutorials and the essential brushes, and I'll give that download link in my video description. Please check it out, and after downloading this one you'll getting this type of zip file, and extract this file and hit the OK button, and you'll get a new folder and which is a collection of brushes. The necessary daily necessary brush like that. Here is 50 paint watercolor brush. So let's see how to just work with that. Just double press this one, it will open up in a Photoshop. So after that, file and new, I'm taking a new canvas or artboard like that. Any kind of size you can take this one, and after that take a new blank layer and suppose go to the brush options and right press over there. You'll get the new brushes in last of your brush list. Okay, those are the new brushes. Yeah, just I'm selecting this one and applying this one like that. Yeah, here is another brush like that, and here is 50 types of watercolor brush. You can use that for your photography, actually designing purpose and the other things. Suppose if you are a designer, can use that. Okay, just deleting this one. First one was the watercolor 50 paint watercolor brush, and second one just I'm opening up this one. Just double press this one and it will open up here. This one like that. If you want to draw something, you can use that brush for it. Suppose the portrait types of or signature types, suppose you want to make a portrait and like that. Okay, you can use that. Now this time for another brush. Okay, broken glass brush. Just opening up, right press and you'll get some broken glass. Okay, and then go to the file, and suppose I want to take files and open up. I'm opening up this image, suppose like that, and take a new blank layer. Go to the brush options and watch the broken glasses. Yeah, the broken glasses like that, and make it bigger. And you can make like that, but if you want to make it white, you can make like that. Suppose here the broken glasses, here is a set like broken glasses. Yeah, like that. Okay, this one is good. And then after, let's see what is the brush. Watercolor and the semi-stroke ink splash. Let's see the ink splash brush. Suppose ink splatter. Just double click this one and just turning off the Photoshop again. Actually it's depend on the PC speed. If your PC speed is high, then it won't trouble you to do. Just turn it off again and turn it on again, this trouble. Okay, file and new options and taking another artboard, suppose like that, and taking a blank layer, and let's see the ink splash brushes like that. Wow, those are amazing, I think. Yeah, ink splash, suppose this one. Yeah, like that. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and I think those brushes or Photoshop brushes will help you out a lot. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share with your friend. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.